Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to tie a balloon. This is debatably the most difficult part of balloon twisting and also balloon decorating, so I'm going to give you a couple different options of ways to tie your balloon off that hopefully will make it a little bit easier for you. Let's start with a 260 balloon twisting balloon. Unless you have incredible lung strength, grab your handy dandy balloon inflator and inflate your balloon. When it comes to tying off your balloon twisting balloon, sometimes you barely have anything to work with. This is called the neck of the balloon down here. An easy tip to give yourself a little bit more neck of the balloon to work with is to pinch off the air about an inch or two above your nozzle and let go with your first hand. This will give you a lot more neck to work with and will make it easier for tying your balloon. First, I'll show you how I tie off my balloon, and then I'll show you another method that might be a little easier for you. So with one hand, I'm grabbing the nozzle and pulling down and stretching. With my second hand, I'm cutting off the air between the neck and the rest of my balloon. With my top hand, I'm going to flip the balloon down and grab it with my bottom hand so that I have this upside down loop. Then I'm going to wrap the neck around the inflated balloon and bring it to the front, where I can just press it against my finger right here. I'm going to use my thumb to pull down on this loop that I've created and use my index finger to push this balloon nozzle halfway through. Once I have the nozzle halfway through, it'll just hang out here on my finger, if you can see that. The nozzle is halfway through, and now all I need to do is pull it out the front in order for it to be tied, and I can pull my finger out and we have a tied balloon. A second way to do this is to use two fingers, which takes a little bit more neck of the balloon but might give you a little bit more room to stick your nozzle through. So this is going to be the same method except with two fingers. So I'm going to flip the balloon down, pull the nozzle around, hold it to my finger with my index finger right here. I'm holding the nozzle to this finger. Then I'm going to use my thumb to pull this knot down a little bit and use this index finger to stick the nozzle halfway through. Now I can grab the nozzle and pull it through and pull my fingers out, and that is your tied balloon. So the same method can be used with a 12-inch balloon or a 36-inch balloon or a bigger balloon, even a 5-inch balloon. You can stretch out your neck, flip the balloon down, pull this across, use your index finger to hold it to this finger right here, pull down on the loop with your thumb, stretch it out. I'm pulling this hand to the left, I'm pulling it out to make this loop a little bigger, and then sticking my nozzle halfway through. I can even move my finger in and out a little to help that nozzle get through the loop there. And then it'll just hang out there because of all the elasticity, and then with my thumb and index finger, I can grab that nozzle and pull it out. If you're building balloon decor and you need to attach two balloons together, here's how I do that. So what I need to do is keep my balloons on each side that they're on, but I need to switch the hands that I'm holding the nozzles with. So I'm going to carefully switch hands of the nozzles. You can either do that by switching the necks of the balloons that you're holding, or simply put the balloons on either side of each other. You're going to fold it down and loop it around like you're tying a shoe. So there's one knot, and we need to make this a double knot, so I'm going to put my middle finger in here, and I'm going to hold this nozzle to this finger right here and grab this other nozzle while I grab the first nozzle with my other hand. Now I've got a finger inside this loop, and I can do the same technique where I'm pulling this loop apart with my thumb and using my index finger to push this nozzle halfway through. And once I've got it halfway through, I can pull it out from the other side, and we have a double knotted balloon for balloon decor. There's a lot of different ways to tie off a balloon, but those are the ways that I've found to be most successful when I'm teaching people how to tie the balloon off. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. Subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. I'm Joey, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.